Alright, we're going to look at just some basic cabinet entry right now and take a look at our different cabinet types that we have with Cabinet Parts Pro. In the drop-down box here we have a list of cabinet types. Each cabinet type has its own set of settings that are applied to it. For example, we're going to select a wall cabinet. Notice we don't have the drill drawer holes checked or cutting a notch for a toe kick. Now selecting a base cabinet, we can see that those options have changed for this base cabinet. So the way it works is basic cabinet entry. Just select the type of cabinet that you want. If we want it to be a wall cabinet, select wall cabinet and enter in the dimensions for the width, the height, depth, and the quantity of that cabinet. Once you click Add Cabinet, it then gets added to our cabinet list. We can continue adding as many cabinets as we want to this list. For example, I'm going to select a base cabinet, entering in the width, the height, and I'll change that to 34.5, and using the Enter key or the tab will move over to the next cell. So this is set up for the 10 key, the little key numbered keypad off to the right, to where you could use the Enter to move from cell to cell. So I'll enter in the depth, Enter, and then how many of this cabinet I want, and when I hit Enter one more time, it will get added to the list. And notice that we are now set to add in a dimensions for another cabinet. This is designed to quickly enter in and quickly get a list of cabinets here produced. Once all cabinets are entered and listed, to calculate and nest the parts is simply calculate and nest. It opens up Part Nester, and we can see this job is going to take a total of 5 sheets. You could use the slider bar across the top to view each sheet. To modify any cabinets that are in here, we could just simply close the Part Nester, and then if we wanted to edit the width of this wall cabinet, double clicking in the cell and just changing that dimension. If you no longer need a cabinet in the list, you could right click and delete that cabinet. Confirm the deletion. Now we only have 2. If we needed to change the quantity, just simply double clicking on that cell for quantity and changing the quantity to the number of cabinets you need. Once that change is made, click Calculate Parts and Nest, and it will relay out, re-nest the parts.